nutty.
Yeah, I feel like we've talked about his mustache for the past 3 weeks.
Way too much.
Actually, I'm gonna make an Instagram account like Antonio Brown's mustache.
There
I think that could blow us up a little.
Instagram account coming soon.
Recently congratulating himself for it. Like
I
hear
think
him.
that's a petty thing, though. I think that's just him being petty. I don't think.
I
that's,
agree.
I don't think
I
that's
agree. It is him
him.
being
I don't think
petty.
that's him like being like, yeah, look how great I am. I think that's just him saying
That is him
yeah,
being.
this season fucking sucks, but you know who doesn't suck? This guy.
And that's why people dislike him, though. It's fucked up.
Well, fact checker, what do you got?
What did he say?
See, if I didn't mean it, I wouldn't have said it.
Wow.
I told you he's
Yeah, Bryce, you're getting fucking fined. You fucked up for real.
What? They're having Bryce Harper and Mike Trout on this team.
Oh, I think it is going to happen. Though. That's why he signed that contract. Yeah, he
Yes.
signed it for that exact. It's going to be fun. Fun days in Philadelphia.
One day.